Hey guys, so it's the 4th of December and I'm making this video from a city called Alanya in the southeast of Turkey. Alanya is located in the south of Turkey, so it's not so far from Syria. And my hotel is called the Green Garden Resort and Spa. And my hotel is just here on the right side. So you can see all the mountains in the background. And here's the river straight ahead. And it's the 4th of December and the weather's about 24 degrees today. The same as yesterday, it was about 24 degrees yesterday as well. So I do recommend this resort for winter sun. It's actually a lot warmer than what I expected. And now it's about 5:30 at night. And I'm just going for a stroll along the promenade. So this area, it's located about 4 kilometers from the city center of Alanya. But I really like this area because it has a lovely promenade. And I really like all the palm trees here on the front. All the trees are just perfect. And now I'm just going to go for an evening stroll. And I'm going to find one of those beach bars and have a coffee and look at the sea. And breathe in the fresh air. Because right now in Poland where I live, it's like 0 degrees. It's so cold right now. So for me, the winter time's the perfect time to get away, take a holiday, somewhere sunny. So I went out last night to the bar street and it's about 4 or 5 euros for a pint of beer on average in the bars. It's a bit more expensive here in Alanya than other parts of Turkey. Like last time I went to Gumbet and Bodrum. And in Gumbet, Bodrum, it's like 3 euros for a pint of beer, but you get 2 for 1 in the happy hour. And cocktails were similar, about 4 euros in Bodrum and Gumbet. But here it's a bit more in Alanya because here a lot of wealthy Russian tourists come here and they charge a bit more money here. But it's a really, really nice place. And to be honest, I think Alanya is my favorite part of Turkey. I love it at nighttime when the sky goes pink. And all the bars are open here. All the cafes are open here. So it's open like all year round. And the food is really fantastic here. I ate some Turkish meat and kebabs last night. And the quality was very, very high. It was only about 3 euro for a kebab. So kebabs are very, very cheap if you buy them here. And very, very good quality too. And in my hotel, it's like a 5-star all-inclusive. And I have to say, the food is absolutely fantastic. And here there's buses coming down all the time from outside the hotel on the main street here. And the bus costs only 2 euros. And you can go right up and down the coast. You can go all the way to Alanya city centre, to the bar street and to the shopping street. And Alanya is the biggest town in this area of Turkey. There's lots of foreign people here from countries like Russia and different countries in Eastern Europe, and they're buying properties here. So there's lots of real estate agents and property shops just right up and down the coast. You just see them everywhere here. A lot of foreigners, they buy a holiday home here. And if you buy a holiday home for 250,000 euros, then you get like a green residency card where it gets you EU citizenship within 5 years. That's what they promise you. So that's why so many foreigners from so many different countries are buying here. Lots of like Russians are buying here and Chinese. And when you go back the other way, it's just like full of restaurants and bars and shisha bars. A lot of places they're doing massage as well. And straight ahead you can see a view of a sort of island that goes out there in the sea. It's lovely here just watching the sunset. So guys, thank you very much for watching my guided tour today. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Travel with Col. And that's Col with a C-O-L. Cheers guys, bye-bye.